Here's how to delete apps on your iPhone if it won't let you. Now, there are certain options on your iPhone to deleting apps. Let's say if you're wanting to delete the Photos app, you press and hold on it and hit Remove App. It won't allow you to delete it because it is a built-in default app. However, third-party apps like Instagram, I should be able to delete. Again, press and hold, tap Remove App. But again, it just gives me the ability to remove from the home screen. It doesn't allow me to delete it. The reason for that most likely is screen time. So tap on the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Search at the bottom. Search for Content and Privacy Restrictions. And from here, you can see it is turned on. There might be a password also associated with it turned on. Let's allow deleting apps by tapping on iTunes and App Store purchases. And then you can see deleting apps is set to don't allow. So switch this to allow. Again, you might need to enter in the password. And if you don't need this, you can just toggle off content and privacy restrictions. Now I can press and hold on any app and hit Remove App. And there we go. I can now delete any of those apps as long as they're not built-in apps. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you really like that too. And thanks for watching.